The reason it is important to be licensed and certified is the amount of training that we get here. We always have an 8-hour continuing education every year. We have had intense training through our Alma lasers, through Candela lasers. Since I've been at Wilmington Plastic Surgery, we do training throughout the year. With our lasers and being certified through each laser, we do get intense training through the company from Alma, from Candela, to come in and certify us in-house. When we are certified through each laser, that we are getting the best quality learning, training intensely through each individual company. It's important for us to know the safety through each individual lasers.